Another tip of being prudent with our credit management and collection efforts is doing asset searches and public record searches in the event that we have run into a situation where the debtor is in default and we're really kind of at wit's end. Perhaps they've drifted out to 90 days past due or 100. We're considering sending it out to a collection agency or legal action and giving it to an attorney to file suit. There's some things we really want to know. And an asset search or a public record search will tell us that, because we don't want to spend good money after bad. It's going to cost us some money to file suit through an attorney and pursue a judgment against that debtor. And we've all gone through situations where we've done that and we got a judgment and we still weren't able to collect anything in the back end. And we spent a lot of money and it took us a lot of time. So what are some indicators that can help us make those decisions? Well, asset searches or public record searches are important, I think, and they give us some insight into those choices. One, we have a debtor, not paying their vendors, their creditors is one thing for a debtor. Not paying their taxes is completely a different thing. So we want to go take a look and see. These public record searches will tell us, one, are there tax liens present? Again, if they haven't paid their taxes, that's a huge red flag. And, we definitely are going to look more into this. Are there other lawsuits already filed against that debtor? If so, are there any judgments in place? Because, you know what, if there's already 7 lawsuits filed and 3 of those have concluded and the creditors already have judgments ahead of me and there's a tax lien present, I'm probably not going to spend the money to file suit against that debtor, because there's just not going to be anything left by the time I try and go through my post-judgment remedies and recover anything. So it gives me, and also the public record search will tell me, if there's other UCCs filed. We can do an asset search also. It gives us employment, any business affiliations, vehicle ownerships, real property ownerships, banking relationships, if there's bankruptcies present, in addition to, the other things we discussed, suits filed, tax liens, notices of defaults, and all of those things. So if you are to that point where you're considering, gee, this debtor's really far out there, we have concerns, before you spend the money with an attorney, I would recommend doing a public record search to see what all's out there and get some insight into how bad is their situation before you spend good money after bad.